Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. I just made a video on putting a stitch patch around it, but I couldn't figure out a way to give it a round. And also it's got a curvature of the line, which a stitch wouldn't really have, and I couldn't get it to get round. So I created a round stitch, any size you want. I made mine a 1/2 inch by 1. And if you will take this, and I measured this, so I can, this is a curve now. I converted that outline to, or that circle to a curve. Go up to Windows and Dockers and Properties. And right here, when you go to curves, I got it to 33 almost exactly inches. And so we want this 1/2 inch to be a 1/2 inch apart. I don't really remember, the blend tool works pretty good, but this works better. I don't remember when object to path started. But if you'll select your path, select your stitch, shift select your path. And we want 33, but we've already, whenever Corel says duplicates, that means one more, it's going to make one more than your original. And then just hit apply. What this is doing, it's going to take just a second. And the reason I like object to path, you can just now delete that path, and you have your stitch line, and they're evenly spaced out apart. They're not curved, they're straight. I don't know in the stitching world how that would really work, but this is, I think, the best way to do it, object to path. And then that way you can make your stitch any way you want it. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.